systems. And that new spinning systems, wrap spinning is one of the main advantage of new spinning systems, and it is a warp wrap spinning. Definition of wrap spinning: wrap spinning is a process whereby the drafting ribbon of parallel fibers that constitutes the bulk of spun yarn is wrapped by the either surface fibers protruding from the ribbon or by a continuous filaments so as to impart coherence and strength of the resulting yarn. And warp spinning is classified into two types: surface fiber wrapping and filament wrapping. Surface fiber wrapping is also classified into two types. Surface fiber wrapping is mechanical wrapping and aerodynamic wrapping. Mechanical wrapping depends upon the friction spinning drift 3, hollow spindle, cover spun, and aerodynamic spinning wrappings are called as air jet spinnings. Mechanical wrapping means twisting by friction rollers and hollow spinning twisting. Hollow spindle spinning, the feedstock and drafting arrangements, hollow spindle, continuous filament thread or rotating bobbin, and yarn withdrawal rollers. In this hollow spindles, the hollow feedstock depends upon the feeding of the yarn to the drafting rollers. From the drafting rollers, the hollow spindles will be continuous filament thread will be rotated. After that, the fabric is rotated bobbin and yarn withdrawal from the drafting arrangements. After that, yarn will be wound on the rollers. Operating principle is a roving sliver feedstock is drafted in a 3 or 4x5 roller drafting arrangements. The fiber strand delivered runs through a hollow spindle without receiving true twist. In order to impart strength to the strand before it fails apart, a continuous filament thread is wound around the strand as it issues from the drafting arrangement. The continuous filament thread comes from a smaller rapidly rotating bobbin mounted on the hollow spindle. Withdrawal rollers leads a resulting warp yarns to a winding device. The warp yarn thus always consists of two components: one twist free staple fiber component in the yarn core, second filament around the core. This process is offered by many manufacturers. Lesona, McCusi. This most widespread system is Prefel Association Company. Prefel Company filaments yarn fiber strand. Sushain offers two machine types: PL1000 with medium packages for yarn in linear density range 25 to 100 tex, PL2000 with a large packages for linear density of 25 to 100 tex. 3 or 4 or 5 roller drafting arrangement are used depending upon the raw materials to be processed. The hollow spindle permits speed of rotation up to 35,000 revolutions per minute and is designed as a false twist assembly. Fiber feed: the fiber strand does not pass directly through the spindle. Vertical inserted shortly after entering the spindle. The strand is led out again and background. The spindle with wrap of about 1/4 of spindle periphery slivers are used. Feedstock: the roving is eliminated. In paraffin yarn, the 5 elements makes up to 2 to 5% of the yarns. Twist insertion: as the spindle rotates, the strand is provided with a twist between drafting arrangements and the head of the hollow spindle. These turns of twists are cancelled out again in the spindle head in accordance with the false twist spindle. This twist prevents the strand from falling apart in the length of period to wrapping with filament. General features: paraffin yarn is usually more even than ring spun yarns. Its strength is also better because of the filament and because of this high degree of parallel orientation of the fibers. Covering power is high and hairiness is slight. At present, the process is more suited to the long staple than the short staple field for lengths more than 60 mm. Applications: the yarns are primarily used for machine knitting yarn Various home and automobile upholstery materials, woven goods, carpet yarns. Specifications: number of spinning positions 80 per machines, raw material synthetic fiber 60 to 220 filaments, range of yarn count 25 to 500 x 1.2 to 25 yarn count, feedstock draw frame sliver, delivery speed 200 meters per minute, and yarn type filament wrapped single yarn. These are the specifications of the hollow spindles. And the yarn characteristics: it is has the yarn characteristics are high strength and good evenness of two component yarns, and field of uses are carpet, domestic, textiles, outerwears. Advantages: fairly low production costs, special features, separate winding machines needed for filament bobbins. Techno-economics: in general a high percentage of filament always a disturbing factor. A high price of filament relative to a staple fiber exerts a strong influence on costs. These yarns are found more in coarse yarn sector and some extent in the coarse to medium yarn field. With yarn, it would be necessary to use very expensive special filament. Therefore, economic production of the fine yarn is not possible. This is about the hollow spindle of the